What's up guys, Camera Thief here, Whipsauce Media. I'm out in the shop with Corey. Let's check out the pistons here. These are the factory pistons. The motor looked like it had never been opened up. A little bit of blow-by signs on there, but nothing too ridiculous. No scoring or anything. Also, the block and head are out at the machine shop right now, Greene County Machine, getting the magic work over. Otherwise, we'd show you guys that. But the cylinders look great. I mean, the cylinders, the valve train, all that stuff looked good.
Yeah, cylinders look good. There was still a lot of cross-hatching and stuff going on there, so it was definitely surprising. It was nice to see with unknown actual numbers on the engine.
The intercooler is out for a little bit of a facelift. Corey did a phenomenal job cleaning up the oil pan and front diff. So it's about time to drop that Tomei baffle kit inside there. We're sorting out all the issues with the oiling system on these cars. Here's the factory cams and caps. And again, I mean, the valve train, everything looked great. I mean, for 30 years old, it looked like the car had never been cracked open before, other than you found a little cool, tell them about your little surprise you found in the coolant galley in the block.
I don't think we still have it, do we? This was actually in one of the coolant ports in the block. It was initially this little piece that we had seen in there, and when we hooked it to start pulling it out, this whole big line of it just came out. Probably a good foot.
Snot rocket of RTV. Pretty ridiculous. And even, you know, looking past those things, like I said, you never know what you're gonna find when you crack open these motors, who's done what to them, and we got pretty lucky with this one. Corey, run us by, what's the game plan here? The last couple things you're trying to square up tonight.
Pretty much just trying to get everything marked out, any holes that aren't getting used anymore, identifying them, which ones we want to fill in, so then there's not all these random holes everywhere and the engine bay doesn't look like Swiss cheese.
Some of this stuff was being used, some of it was still there and not being used from the factory. Other stuff was probably added and forgotten about along the life of the car, but it's coming together really well. We just put a little bit of body filler over there after Corey cleaned up some of the welds to, again, patch up that side. We're gonna spray. That's why we filled that stuff a little bit, try to smooth it out just a little bit. A lot of my day was spent in here, squaring up some more of the wiring. Just wanted to give you guys a real quick update. That's where the car is. That's where Corey is. That's pretty much where he lives.
Pretty much.
In the wintertime. Huge delay, as most ARP consumers or hopeful consumers probably know. If you are looking for ARP hardware, hey Dad. Hey guys. If you are looking for ARP hardware, you're probably not gonna find it. We're fighting tooth and nail to find somebody on the planet with main studs for the motor. So if there's any type of delay that prevents the motor from getting reassembled and put back in the car by spring, I'm probably just gonna leave him in there and he'll make the motor sounds and it'll work out. Back to work. Hope you enjoy the real quick update.
Hey, at least you'll have one good rod in here. Yeah, one on the leg.
All right, we hope you guys enjoyed the update. Stay tuned for more content. We'll see you soon. Stay fueled.